Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we finished the areas. Now we will deal with some problems from the differential equations. In the differential equations, till variable separable method we completed. Now we are doing homogeneous problems. Suppose the given problem is in homogeneous form, right? Then how we have to solve that differential equation? I am saying differential equations only in that when given problem is homogeneous problem, right? Then how we have to solve? Okay, so come on, when we can say any function is homogeneous means, suppose if there is one function f of x comma y, in it in x place we have taken kx and in y place we have taken ky. So f of kx comma ky is equal to k to the power of alpha into f of x comma y. Then we can say that that function is homogeneous function of degree alpha. That function is homogeneous function of degree alpha. So in the given function, wherever x is there, we have to take kx, wherever y is there, we have to take ky. We have to substitute. After that it will comes, suppose it will comes into this form. Here instead of alpha we can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. K to the power of some power into f of x comma y, then it is called homogeneous equation of degree alpha. Okay, so come on, now come to first question. Solve dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. Okay, so solution: given differential equation is, right, so it is dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. It is equation number 1. So now you take the function. This function is f of x comma y. Equation in terms of function means any value in terms of x comma y, any equation in terms of x comma y. Okay, so is x square plus y square by 2xy. Now you take this as f of kx comma ky. Okay, so is equal to kx whole square plus ky whole square by 2 into kx into ky. So is equal to k square x square plus k square y square by 2 into k square x into y. So from this we can take k square outside, x square plus y square. From this we can take k square outside, it is 2xy. So we can write this as k to the power of 2 minus 2 x square plus y square by 2xy. Okay, so is equal to k to the power of 0, and what is this? This is your f of x comma y. Okay, so therefore given equation is homogeneous equation of degree. What is the degree? 0. It is the homogeneous equation of degree 0. Okay, so whenever any equation, what is the condition? Your f of kx comma ky must be equals to k to the power of some power into f of x comma y. That power is called its degree and it is called homogeneous equation. Whenever homogeneous equation is given to you, we have to take y is equal to vx. Right, compulsory. Whenever it is homogeneous problem, we have to take y is equal to vx. Now differentiating with respect to 2x both sides. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of vx. Okay, u into v form. Okay, so how we will take is equal to, keeping v as it is, differentiating x, d by dx of x. Keeping x as it is, differentiating v, d by dx of v. Okay, so it is dy by dx is equal to v into d by dx of x is 1 plus x into dv by dx. Okay, therefore from first equation, what is your first equation? Dy by dx. So dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, come on, we have to take wherever y is there we have to take vx. So it is x square plus y square, that is v square x square by 2x into y is vx. Okay, so it is equal to, from this we can take x square common 1 plus v square. From this also we can take x square common, it is 2v. x square cancels, right? So it is v plus x dv by dx. Okay. So now x dv by dx, x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. So what happens is equal to, taking the LCM as 2v, 1 plus v square minus 2v square. So v square minus 2v square is minus v square. So x dv by dx is equal to minus v square, 1 is there, right? 1 v square minus 2v square, v square minus 2v square is minus v square by 2v. Okay, so now you take, here dv is there, right? So all the v terms should come here. Now it is variable separable form, some v terms into v, some x terms into dx, right? We have to separate, then we have to integrate. So come on, it is 2v by 1 minus v square dv is equal to dx by x. This is our integration. Okay, so you take that 2v by 1 minus v square into dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, so now you take your t is equal to 1 minus v square. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, dt by dv is equal to, it is minus 2v. Only 2v is there, minus 2v is not there. So take minus sign this side. Minus dt is equal to 2v dv. Okay, so now you substitute in the equation. Therefore, is equal to integral minus dt by t is equal to log x, right? So after the completion of integration, we have to take c also, right? So minus log t is equal to log x. After the completion of integral, we have to write a c, right? So all are in terms of log, means we have to take log only. So that is log c. Okay, so next we can write this as log of t to the power of minus 1 is equal to log m into log m plus log n, right? There is one formula, log m plus log n is equal to log of m into n, and also m log a, right, is equal to log a to the power of m. These formulas we used. This is m log a to the power of m. Next, log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So it is log x into c. Log cancel. T to the power of minus 1 is equal to xc. So 1 by t is equal to xc. So 1 by t What is your t value? 1 minus v square. So it is 1 minus v square is equal to xc. So 1 by 1 minus, what is v? In the beginning we have taken, see, y is equal to vx. So if we want a v, send x this side, that is y by x. V value is y by x. So you take y by x whole square is equal to xc. So 1 by 1 minus y square x square is equal to xc. So it is x square by x square minus y square is equal to xc. 1x will get cancel, right? X by x square minus y square is equal to c. X is equal to c into x square minus y square is the answer of your question. Okay, so come on, how we will take this one as log m plus log n is equal to log of m into n, and m log a is equal to log a to the power of m. Okay, so come on, how we will solve this problem means we have to observe with practice, with observation. You will know the given equation is a homogeneous equation. They won't mention in the question, right? Solve this homogeneous equation, like that they won't ask, just they will ask solve this one, solve the differential equation they will give, right? Maximum solve the differential, otherwise only solve, right? They will give one differential equation to you. Okay, so if you want to solve the differential equation, first of all you have to observe whether it is homogeneous equation. Directly if variable, we can separate the variables, right, and we can take the integration. That possibility is there, go for variable separable method. If that possibility is not there, right, then we have to go for the homogeneous method. That means we have to check first whether the given equation is homogeneous or not. So how we will find dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. Okay, so this is your differential equation. So in this differential equation, function is given like this, x, y. Okay, so whenever it is like that, in x place you take kx, in y place you take ky. Okay, so then it will comes into this form. So what I said, if f of kx plus ky is equal to k to the power of alpha into f of x comma y, right, then it is called the homogeneous equation of degree alpha. Okay, so come on, here you will get k to the power of 0 f of x comma y. So it is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. In place of alpha we can have any number, right? So that is its degree. So whenever the given function is homogeneous equation in differential equations, we have to take y is equal to vx, right? So y is equal to vx, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, it is product form, right? So v into d by dx of x plus x into d by dx of v. Okay, so d by dx of x is 1, so v into 1 v plus x into dv by dx. So from this we will get from 1, right, where is this one? This one. So instead of dy by dx we will write v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so is equal to, then you will have this one. Okay, so x square, and in y place, right, in y place we have taken vx. So it is y square, so v square x square. Similarly downwards also in this y place we have to take vx. Okay, so after that from these two terms you take x square outside, here also x into x square outside, both will get cancel. So then you send your v to other side and take the LCM, right? So then 2v by 1 minus v square dv dx by x. Okay, so if you observe now, this is variable separable form. V terms are there, dv by dx is there. So bring all the v terms this side into dx, and dx is downwards, you send that side, and x term also that side. Okay, so then you take t is equal to 1 minus v square, and dt by dv is equal to minus 2v. Okay, so then you take minus sign, minus dt is equal to 2v dv. Okay, so therefore it is integral 2v dv place is minus dt by t is equal to log x. So minus of integral dt by t is log t. So after the completion of integral, we have to write some constant, right? If all values are in terms of log, we have to take constant also in terms of log only. So I have taken log c. So log m plus log n is log m into n. So it is log x into c, and log t to the power of minus 1. It is of the form m log a. M log a is equal to log a to the power of m. So now it is t to the power of minus 1, and both sides log will get cancelled. Log of that value is equal to is there, that value is equal to another side value. Next we can write t to the power of minus 1 as 1 by t, and 1 by what is our t? We have taken t is equal to, what is our t value? 1 minus v square. So 1 minus v square. Wherever v is there, you take y by x, right? So y by x whole square is equal to xc. So send x square, taking the LCM and sending upwards. X cancel. So this is your answer. Okay, so first of all you have to observe whether it can be written in variable separable form or not. If variable separable form is possible, go for that one. Directly separate the variables, x variables into dx, y variables into dy, then take the integration. But if variable separable is not possible, then we have to check whether the given equation is in homogeneous form. So how we will get homogeneous form means, in that equation, in place of x we have to substitute kx, in place of y we have to substitute ky, right? After that f of kx comma ky is equal to k to the power of some value into f of x comma y. That k to the power of alpha can be any number. Then we can say that the given function is homogeneous function with a degree alpha. Here alpha can be positive or negative. Okay, so that is the thing. Once it is homogeneous, then we have to substitute in the given equation y is equal to vx, and with that we have to get our dy by dx also. This is our given equation. In this dy by dx is there, and wherever y is there we will substitute vx. With that y only we have to find dy by dx. Substitute, and then after the substitution and simplification, your values will be v values, x values, right? So you have to take v values into dv, x values into dx. That is called variable separable method. After that, normal method. Okay, so at the end, in place of v, again you have to substitute y by x. Our question is in terms of x and y, so answer also must be in terms of x and y. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.